This is the very well-loved Vitamix. So I've had this for at least 10 years. It's still in excellent condition. I cannot say enough about the quality of it. So obviously it's a blender, right? I use it for smoothies every single morning. You can make soups. I also use it as a food processor. I don't have a food processor, and this does the trick for me. I make a bunch of stuff that you can just use the blades as a food processor, so it's awesome. And the other great thing about this is it's so easy to clean. So I've already put water, and I just put 1 pump of dish soap, and what you do is literally just put it back right on and turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on, it's gonna be loud, just give it a second. So you just mix it, and it cleans the blades really well. And even like when I make my smoothies and there's like peanut butter or something up the sides, if I blend it, give it like a good minute, it will get everything off the side. So all I have to do is rinse it out and maybe wipe it once on the inside, and it's clean. Another really nice thing I like about it is that the cord, if you store it in a drawer or wherever, you can coil this around. It has little hooks, so it's very easy to wrap the cord if you want it hidden, have it as long or short as you want. Also, just a side note, I love these little caster wheels. It makes it super easy, especially if you keep it on the counter. Just slide it all around. Love those. Anyway, definitely highly recommend the Vitamix.